recording someone else's case in my report. That is very dangerous. Marufa Khatun, I am not Marufa. I am Dev. Why they are concerned with Marufa Khatun's case? In my case? Private respondent.
Their Baby Begum is an accused, that is why.
No, the question is, Lordship, police is very much concerned to demonstrate the case. It's a case and counter case.
No, I am not on
But
that.
they are unable to demonstrate. They have performed their duty.
Acha, the construction work is going on.
My place, my house, my order, they are coming and disturbing us. And where we'll go? They,
Acha,
the police have there is any lines on this.
very good. Acha, bhai, ki holo দাঁড়াও এক মিনিট।
And this person is instigating, being the panchayat member.
Proceeding under section 120A6 of bill, এই দুটোকেই গ্রাম থেকে বার করে দিলে সব মিটে যাবে, আমি বুঝে গেছি। এই দুটোকেই একদম।
This area should be.
কি বললেন?
Should I be ousted? You go. You don't have your place. You have created a jungle.
BNSS has been drawn up
You are not lying.
against.
I know.
আরে এই কাকে বলছে পুলিশ? সত্যি তো রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 16 কাকে বলছে? প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 16?
Okay, fresh report they will got much.
Private respondent side name Marufa Khatun wife.
I can now come to the next 126 paragraph which deals with 126.
Marufa Khatun is not a party to
এটা
this.
কোথা থেকে ফাইল আপ ফ্রেশ?
With Marufa.
আমার মনে হচ্ছে গন্ডগোল হয়েছে কিছু একটা।
Marufa Khatun is influential. She is the panchayat member. Rumela Khatun.
He is respondent number 6. How many petitions have you filed? আমি বলছি তো, হ্যাঁ, সবুজসাহী চ্যাটার্জি আছে, গোটা পাঁচেক মামলা করবে না, মক্কেল আসে হয় নাকি? হ্যাঁ, ফাইল আ ফ্রেশ রিপোর্ট, এটা কেটে দাও।
Not to let another writ petition being
No, file a fresh report.
088 be tagged together.
Elaborately file because there are 5 only. He has not made any private respondent. First private respondent he is being added. Respondent number 6.
So another writ petition is filed, that is WPA 3679.
না কোনো ট্যাগিং না, এটাই শেষ করে দেবো। When I want to file 1 week, এটা রেখে দিচ্ছি আমি। হ্যাঁ, এটা রং রিপোর্ট, এটা লিখে রেখে দিচ্ছি। Later report submitted by the officer in charge, Shampur police station, be kept with the record. The report report do not reflect the recent incidents complained of, as also the references which have been made are cryptic. Accordingly, a fresh report be submitted by the officer in charge of Shampur police station. দেরি হবে, এই মাসে আর হবে না, এসব পরের মাসে। On 5th of August 2025, when the writ petition will appear under the heading 4 orders. এখানে গন্ডগোল করে দিয়েছে, নাহলে শেষ করে দিতাম আমি। No, 5th of August, next week. 3 দিন কাজ করবে না সপ্তাহে, next week. হ্যাঁ, can allowed. Can only is allowed, huh? 73.